Imagine a machine so fast, so precise, that in the time it takes you to read this sentence, it has already produced tens of thousands of dollars in perfect, finished banknotes. In a single minute, it can churn out more than $1 million. In an hour, tens of millions. And here's the part that seems almost impossible. Out of all those millions of bills, virtually every single one is flawless. No smudges, no misalignments, no errors. In a world where your home printer jams over a single sheet of paper, how on earth does a machine print perfect money at the speed of a waterfall? The answer is a story of staggering engineering, obsessive quality control, and some of the most advanced manufacturing on the planet. This is how money is really made. First, you have to understand that printing money is nothing like printing a document. A banknote is not a piece of paper with ink on it. It is a layered, engineered security object, and creating it is a process with many distinct stages, each one adding another element that makes the note harder to fake and more durable to use. The speed comes not from rushing, but from the fact that these massive machines run continuously, processing enormous sheets that each contain dozens of banknotes at once. A single sheet might hold 50 notes or more, and the machines handle thousands of sheets every hour. When you do the math, the numbers become astronomical. That's how you reach $1 million a minute, not by printing one bill incredibly fast, but by printing many bills at once, over and over, without stopping. It begins not with ink, but with the special material the notes are printed on. As we've explored before, real banknotes aren't made of ordinary paper. Many are made from a tough blend of cotton and linen, while others are printed on a special flexible plastic called polymer. This material is engineered to survive years of folding, crumpling, and handling. Before a single image is added, security features are already being built into the material itself. Things like watermarks and embedded threads that are woven or layered in during production. The foundation of the banknote is a security feature before the printing even begins. Then comes the first major printing stage. And this is where the background designs and intricate patterns are laid down. Modern banknotes are covered in incredibly fine, swirling lines and geometric patterns. These aren't just decoration. They are deliberately complex, designed to be nearly impossible to reproduce accurately with a standard printer or scanner. These fine line patterns are printed using huge, high-speed presses that lay down precise layers of color across the entire sheet at once. The registration, meaning how perfectly the layers line up, has to be accurate to a fraction of a millimeter. Even the tiniest misalignment would be caught and rejected. Next comes one of the most important and impressive stages of all, the raised printing that gives real money its distinctive feel. This process, called intaglio, presses engraved plates into the material under enormous pressure, forcing ink up into raised ridges you can actually feel with your fingertip. The main portrait, the large numbers, and key lettering are often created this way. This raised texture is one of the hardest security features to counterfeit, because it's not about the image, it's about the physical, three-dimensional surface of the note. The machines that do this apply tremendous force, and they do it thousands of times per hour with perfect consistency. Then there are the special touches that make modern money almost magical. The shimmering, color-shifting ink that changes shade when you tilt the note. The shiny holographic strips and patches. The fine microprinting, text so small it looks like a simple line until you put it under a magnifying glass. Each of these features is added in its own carefully controlled stage by machines built for that single purpose. Every layer must align perfectly with the ones before it. It's like building a complex sandwich where every ingredient has to land in exactly the right spot. Except the sandwich is moving at high speed. And there are millions of them. And now we come to the secret behind that word, flawlessly. Because the truth is, not every note comes out perfect. Mistakes do happen, even with the best machines in the world. The real magic isn't that errors never occur. It's that they are caught and removed with relentless precision. As the sheets fly through the production line, they pass under sophisticated camera and sensor systems that inspect every single note at incredible speed. These machines scan for the tiniest flaws, a smudge, a missing detail, a color slightly off, an imperfect alignment. They compare each note against a perfect reference image, thousands of times per minute. Any note that fails, even by a hair, is automatically marked and pulled out. Humans simply cannot inspect money this fast or this consistently. It takes machine vision, scanning relentlessly, never blinking, never getting tired. That is the real reason the finished bills appear flawless. It's not that flaws never happen. It's that flawed notes never make it out the door. The notes that fail inspection are carefully tracked and destroyed. Because in a money factory, every single sheet must be accounted for. This is one of the most security-obsessed manufacturing environments on the planet. Every sheet of valuable material is counted at every stage. The number that goes in must match the number that comes out, including the rejects. Nothing can simply go missing. The level of accounting here makes an ordinary factory look careless. After all, this isn't just product. This is literally money, and a single unaccounted sheet is a serious problem. Once the full sheets have passed every printing stage and every inspection, they move to the finishing stages. The serial numbers are added, and here's a fascinating detail. Every single note receives its own unique serial number, and the machines apply these numbers in perfect sequence at high speed, never repeating, never skipping. Then, the giant sheets are precisely cut down into individual banknotes by powerful cutting machines that slice through stacks with perfect accuracy. The notes are counted yet again, bundled into stacks, wrapped, and prepared for distribution to banks. From there, they make their way into cash machines, store registers, and eventually your wallet. Step back and consider the full picture. To produce a single banknote, you need special engineered material, multiple precise printing processes, raised textured ink, holograms, color-shifting inks, microprinting, perfectly sequenced serial numbers, relentless automated inspection, exact cutting, and meticulous accounting at every step. And all of this happens at a scale and speed that produces over $1 million worth of perfect notes every minute. It is one of the most remarkable manufacturing achievements in the modern world, hidden away inside heavily guarded buildings that most people will never see. But here's the thought that matters most, the one that goes beyond the machinery. All of this extraordinary effort, all this engineering and security and obsessive precision exists to protect one fragile and invisible thing: trust. A banknote is really just a promise. It only works because everyone agrees to believe in it, because everyone trusts that it's genuine and that it holds value. The flawless printing, the security features, the relentless inspection, all of it is designed to protect that trust, to make sure that when you hold a bill in your hand, you never have to question whether it's real. The moment that trust breaks, the paper becomes worthless. So in a very real sense, these incredible machines aren't just printing money. They're manufacturing trust itself, $1 million of it every single minute. Understanding how money is actually created, how it's secured, and why it holds value is the foundation of understanding the entire financial world. Most people use money every day without ever knowing what it truly is or how it works. If you want to go deeper, to really understand how money is made, moved, and protected, I've put together a clear and straightforward guide that breaks it all down, linked in the description below. And if the hidden world of how valuable things are made fascinates you, subscribe to Bullion Lab, where we take you inside the secret processes behind the most valuable things on Earth. Because once you see how money is really made, you'll never look at the bills in your wallet the same way again.